I've done so much for so long with so little. I'm now literally qualified to do the impossible with nothing. What's up, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett, by the way. Hey, guys, so you want to work from home and you want to start making money, right? So let's talk about how you can literally start doing it within the next 24 hours. Ready to go, guys? Let's get hot. Only reason you ain't making no money up until now, or you ain't made no money up until now, is because of one of two reasons. Number one, you don't have a product, you don't have a service, or you don't have a business opportunity. Or if you do, you're simply not getting enough eyeballs on your offer. What it boils down to is exposure. And today, guys, I got you coming and going, because in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an endless flow of leads and affiliate cash commissions on complete automation, even if you're brand new to internet marketing and don't already have a product or a service to sell. Right below this video, there will be a link. I want you guys to click that link and continue on so we can show you exactly how to do it. Let's get busy, guys. Let's get hot.